Today I just wanted to do a quick video to replace our bed leveling video, and this is something you're going to want to do, I would say, every time you're changing resins and taking the tank out. Why not do a quick bed leveling? It doesn't take long at all. Okay, so what you're going to want to do before you do anything is make sure this is secure tight, make sure that your printing platform is clean, make sure this is all clear, these tabs are flipped open, and let's go ahead and loosen our top Allens. What you want to do is move this around to make sure everything's nice and loose before you lower it. So our build platform is loose. Let's go ahead and do this. We're going to hit the gear icon, then we're going to hit hardware settings, then we're going to hit motor settings, and we're going to hit set 0 position. We want to have 2 pieces of regular printer paper on the printing bed to set a space between the top of the printer and the build platform. Or if you have one of the new Shining printers, it came with calibration sheets. You just use one calibration sheet. Now what has happened is the whole build tray has lowered itself down, and at the very end it moves very slowly and it rests itself into a 0 position. Now what we want to do is, before we hit any buttons on the computer, is we want to tighten all the screws. Now I'm putting a fair amount of torque on these screws. You want them to be good and tight. Go around one last time, double check them. Okay, now all 4 of our screws are tight. Now that we've tightened everything up and it's in our 0 position, you just hit OK. Now that sets the 0 position. Now the unit will slowly rise to the top. You can take your printer paper off the unit. And you can seat your printer tray. All right, that's how to level the base.